Governor Abbott says more businesses will be able to open their doors by the end of the week.
KMR Local 4's Maggie Glenn is at the Capitol to explain who and how it's going to get done.
Andy and Jackie, Governor Abbott says that the statewide stay-at-home executive order will officially be expiring this Thursday on April 30th. He says Friday, Texas will begin phase 1 of the plan to reopen the Texas economy.
Many have lost jobs. Others have lost businesses. Many are struggling to pay their bills. I want those Texans to know they are not alone in this fight.
Governor Abbott will allow restaurants, movie theaters, stores, and malls to open back up for business beginning Friday, but not everyone will be allowed in all at once.
I am limiting occupancy to no more than 25%.
The new executive order comes with a checklist of standards for businesses to operate safely.
Those doctors also prescribed health guidelines for businesses, for employees, and for customers. Those protocols focus on minimizing the spread of COVID-19.
That includes recommended hygiene practices and social distancing, but does not mandate masks. Opponents to the governor's reopening plan have repeatedly called for more COVID-19 testing.
Getting up to 25,000 tests is something that should occur early on in the May timetable that we're looking at.
But the Texas House Democratic chair says the governor didn't present a clear plan on how the state will get those tests. Governor Abbott also introduced a new tracing program which involves testing widely, isolating those who test positive, identifying everyone who has been in contact with that person, and asking those contacts to self-isolate for 14 days. The Department of State Health Services will run that program.
During the next 2 weeks, they will add another 1,000 tracers.
The governor said it will be up to local governments to enforce the 25% capacity regulation. He said the businesses could end up losing their license to operate if they do not abide by this new law. In the state capitol, Maggie Glenn, KAMR Local 4 News. Andy and Jackie.
Thank you. If phase 1 goes according to plan and there are no spikes in new cases, phase 2 will begin on May 18th with capacity increasing to 50%.